Hi everyone! Welcome back to Anne Design Craft channel. If you've already joined me for part 1 where we made Santa's head, it's time to move on to part 2 and crochet his body. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to complete the rest of Santa, from his jolly belly to his legs. Get ready to bring this festive character to life, so grab your yarn and hooks, and let's dive right into making Santa's body. Here are the tools you'll need for this video: 4-ply cotton yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, pair of scissors, a needle, and a tool for stuffing. To start from the leg, we'll begin with black yarn. For better visibility in the video, I'm using brown yarn, but feel free to use black for your project. Make a knot in a magic ring and make 6 single crochets in it. Then, make a slip stitch in the first stitch to end the round. Then chain 1 to start the next round. You need to repeat this at the end and start of every round to keep things nice and neat. In round 1, make 1 single crochet and followed by 1 increase. Repeat this 3 times. You should have a total of 9 stitches. In round 2, make 1 single crochet, then 1 increase. And 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence 3 times. You should have a total of 12 stitches. In round 3, make a single crochet in the back loop only of each stitch. In round 4, make 1 single crochet. Then 1 decrease. To do the invisible decrease, insert the hook from the front into the front loop of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both front loops, so you now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through both loops on your hook. And 1 single crochet. Repeat this sequence 3 times. You should have a total of 9 stitches. In round 5, switch to white yarn and do single crochet in every stitch till end. Make another one using the exact same pattern. To connect both legs, chain 6 and attach them together. Do a slip stitch on another leg. Then in round 6, start with a chain and do 9 single crochet. When you reach the chain, insert the hook into the back bump and continue with 6 single crochets. When you reach the first leg, do 9 single crochets on it. Then, insert the hook into both loops of the chain and do 6 single crochets. This completes round 6. Finish by making a slip stitch to end the round. You should have a total of 30 stitches. In round 7, make 4 single crochet and follow by 1 increase. Repeat this pattern 6 times, giving you a total of 36 stitches. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. In round 12, make 1 increase, working in the back loop only. Followed by 7 single crochets. Repeat this pattern 6 times. You should have a total of 54 stitches. In round 13 to 14, switch to black yarn for the belt. Do single crochet in every stitch till end. In round 15, switch back to red yarn. Make single crochet in every stitch till end. In round 16, make 1 decrease. Followed by 7 single crochets. And repeat this sequence 6 times. You should have a total of 48 stitches. In the following round, just follow the written pattern. After that, the body is done, but we need to insert the hook into the front loop of round 12 to shape the cloth. Make a single crochet in each stitch to the end. Next, switch to white yarn to add a decorative trim for Santa's outfit. Using the reverse single crochet stitch, work 1 stitch in every stitch around. This creates a nice textured edge that looks perfect for Santa's iconic suit. Now that the Santa body is complete, it's time to move on to the hands. Here's the pattern for Santa's hand. Fill in some polyester fiber. After completing the hand, sew it onto round 20 on both sides. Finally, sew the head and body together. Remember to fill in enough polyester fiber to firm up the doll. That's it! Your Santa is all done, and now you have the pattern to complete his hands too. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for the reindeer tutorial, you can refer back to my previous video. It has all the steps you need to create the perfect companion for Santa. Happy crocheting, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.